Now I'm going to explain how to control another device via MIDI from the Nova system. It could be another effect, it could be a MIDI amp or a MIDI preamp. Using the MIDI map is very useful if you want to recall presets on the other device for each of your Nova system user presets. If you use the regular MIDI output, the unit will just send the same program change as its own preset. For example, preset number 1 will send 1, preset number 2 will send 2, and preset number 3 will send 3, and so on. There is an extra feature in the Nova system that allows you to recall any other preset of the other device, not necessarily the same as the one you recall on the Nova system. This is called MIDI mapping out. You press the menu button, go to the MIDI setup menu and press menu to enter. Go to Program Change Out and set it to On. For each user preset on the Nova system, you are able to send a program change command via MIDI. Here, my first user preset, 001, would normally recall program change 1. But by reprogramming the MIDI map, you can set it to any number between 1 and 127. So, you can actually recall any other preset on another unit, but you have to do that for every user preset that needs remapping. So let's say, for example, that I want to recall program number 2. User preset 2 can recall 1, preset 3 can recall 12, etc., etc. When you're done with your MIDI map, press menu to go back to the play mode. Now I can recall preset number 1 and I get preset number 2 on the other machine. I recall preset number 2 and I get number 1 as I programmed in my map. Number 3 recalls number 12.